Okay. A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the online session of subject mathematics of 7th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we have started the word problems regarding the mixed fractions, improper fractions, and proper fractions. So, how the fractions will be used in the word problems, and multiplications also we have seen regarding the fractions. Is it right, children? So today we shall see one more example of the fractions, okay, of the multiplication of fractions. So already I said, so in the we now from now onwards we have to consider, if whenever the word of is there, you should consider it as multiplication. You should consider it as multiplication. Is it right, children? So I hope so you have understood this very well. Okay. So you should consider as a multiplication. Of means multiplication. Okay. So a part of the total is 1. A part of total 1. Okay. So like that you should consider. So now we shall see the one more example problem. So in a family of 4 persons, 15 chapatis were consumed in a day. So for one day, in a family, 15 chapatis were consumed. It seems consumed means eaten, had. Okay, they ate. Okay, they ate. Okay, they are eating 15 chapatis per day. Okay, is it right, children? I think so. You have understood what is consumed. So for one day, they are eating 15 chapatis. So totally, how many chapatis? 15 chapatis. Now 1/5 of chapatis were consumed by the mother. So how many chapatis were consumed by mother? 1/5. So 1/5 of chapatis. That means here, what is meaning of this of means whatever the multiplication. So out of the total chapatis, so 1/5 part were consumed by mother. Next, and 3/5 were consumed by the children. So 3/5, that means out of the total chapatis, 3/5 were consumed by the children. Is it right, children? So now, and the remaining were consumed by the father. So after completing, so 1/5 and 3/5, so remaining part, whatever is that will be consumed by father, it seems. So father, mother and children. Okay, mother is consuming 1/5 part, children are consuming 3/5 part. So out of these two, so by adding these two and by subtracting from the total, so whatever the part is remaining, so that will be consumed by father, it seems. That will be consumed by father, it seems. Okay, so this is a problem. So now, so this is a given data. So actually, what is the problem we have to find out? So first of all, we should know what are the problems given. So the first one. So what is the first one? First you should write. So solution. So solution, how you should write? So first, total number of chapatis. Total chapatis. How many? 15. So after writing first, what is the first one? So instead of this one also, you no need to write this one. So directly you can start the first one. So what is the first one in the solution? So number of, how many chapatis were eaten by the mother? So how many chapatis eaten by mother? So instead of this one, consumed by mother. Okay, so how many chapatis consumed by the mother? So totally how many are there? 15. So 15 you should consider as a one part. 15 you should consider as a one full part. So first of all, so how many chapatis by mother? So mother consuming part is 1/5. So 1/5 of total chapatis. 1 by 5 of total chapatis. 1 by 5 of total. So what is 1 by 5? 1 by 5 of. Of means into. Of means into. Next total. Total means how many are there? 15. So 15. So now 1 by 5 into 15. You can write as a 15 by 5. Is it right, children? So 15 by 5. In the 5 table, when 15 will go? So 5 ones 5, 5 twos 10, 5 threes 15. So what is the answer? 5 ones, 5 threes. So total number of chapatis consumed by mother is 3 chapatis. So out of 15, so 3 chapatis will be consumed by mother. Is it right, children? So here you should write. So number of chapatis consumed by mother is 3. So this is first one. Next, second one we shall see. What is the second one we shall see? So second one is how many chapatis were eaten by the children. So chapatis consumed by children. Okay. So this one. So children, how much part they have eaten? 3 by 5 were consumed by the children. So 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 of total chapatis. 3 by 5 of total chapatis, like that you should write. So that is 3 by 5 into, of means into 15. So 3 by 5 into 15. So that means here what you can write? 3 into 15 by 5. So in the 5 table, 15 will go. 5 ones, 5 threes. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 chapatis were consumed by the children. So each child eats 3. Each 3 is 9. 9 no. So totally they will eat 9 chapatis. 3 is 9. Okay. So every child will eat 4 or 5 or up to their capacity. Okay. So children will eat total 9 chapatis. Okay. Next. What is the next question? What fraction of total chapatis has been consumed by the father? So for the father, he is not asking how many chapatis he has ate. So he is asking how much fraction. So how much fraction part the father has eaten. So for that, what you should know? First of all, you should know how many remaining chapatis are there. So how many chapatis consumed by father you should know. By father how many? That is equals to total minus of mother plus children. So mother plus children means here what? So how many chapatis mother ate plus how many chapatis children ate. So if you add these two and if you subtract from the total, then you will get how many chapatis were remain. So total how many? 15 minus of mother how many? 3. Next children how many? 9. Now first do the brackets. So 15 minus 9 plus 3 is 12. So 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 minus 12 is 3. 12, 13, 14, 15. So 3 chapatis were remaining. So how many? So what is the question he is asking? What fraction of the total chapatis has been eaten has been consumed by the father? So father ate 3 chapatis. Now 3 chapatis you should write in a fraction. So how you can write in a fraction? So fraction part. So fraction part of father consumed. Okay. So is equals to, so fraction part of, so first of all how many chapatis he ate? 3. So out of 15 he ate only 3. Okay. So now 3 by 15. So this is 3 ones, 3 5. So what is the part? So 1 by 5 part has been consumed by the father. Okay, like this you have to do this problem. Okay. So I hope so you have understood very easily. So like this you have to do this type of examples. Okay. Now we shall go with the exercise part. Okay. So like this problem I will give one more, so you can do very easily. Okay. Exercise 2. Exercise 2. Already first bit is completed. I hope so you have done the homework very easily. Okay. So now we shall go with the second bit. Okay. Second bit. What is the second bit? Shade. You should shade the regions. So for how many parts he has said, for that many parts you have to shade. Okay. First one. 1/2 of the circles in box. 1/2 of the circles in the box. So now here I am drawing the box. Okay. In this box how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this box are there. So how many circles you should shade means 1/2 of the circles in the box. First of all, solution. So first, so how many circles are there in the box? So total number of circles. How many circles are there? So total number of circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of circles is 12. Is it right? So next. So half of the circles in a box. Shade 1/2 of the total circles. Total circles is equals to shade half. Half 1/2 means 1/2. Half means OF of. Half means into the total circles. So total how many circles are there? 12 circles. So 1/2 into 12. So what is 1/2 into 12? So that means 12/2. 12/2 means 2 in the 2 table 12 will go. When 2 ones 2 6. So total how many circles you should shade? 6 circles you should shade. So shade 6 circles in that one. So that means how you should shade? So 1. So like this. Okay, you have to shade like this. Okay, 6 circles. 3 completed. Next 5, 6. Okay, so half of the circles I have been shaded. Okay, so total 12 are there. So this is one half, this is second half. So like this, shade half of the total circles. Okay, so I hope so you have understood very clearly. So like this you have to do this problem. Okay, next one more problem we shall see in this bit. Okay. Next, third one I am explaining in this one. 3/5 of the rectangles in box. The rectangle in the box. So in the box, so totally how many rectangles are there? From that you should shade 3/5 of the rectangles. So okay, so first of all you should write down total how many number of rectangles are there. First step is total number of rectangles. Total number of rectangles. So how many total rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length 5, breadth 3. So 5 into 3. So totally there are 15 rectangles. So just by counting across and counting down, so and multiplying those two, you can get the total number of rectangles. Same like a area. So area, how you will find? Length into breadth, no? Same like that only you can able to count. Okay. So suppose in a school or in a college or in any university, so the benches or the tables will be arranged. Is it right, children? So how they will be arranged? So across and straight they will be arranged in a sequence order. So how can you say if the hall is so long, means how can you identify how many number of chairs or tables are there? So just by counting the first line. So the first line, how many tables are there in the across and one downside, one length you can count. So one cross and one down. Okay, by counting this one, suppose at the first line there are 5 tables. So 5 tables, and at last like this. So if you go on to the back side, so like that there are 5 tables. So 5 tables and 5 tables. So totally 5 into 5 you multiply. If you multiply those two, 5 into 5 is 25. So that is the area or the total number of tables in that hall. Okay, like that you can find. So here also you can find the total number of rectangles like that. Okay, just instead of counting all the rectangles, that is a very easy method. Okay, so this type of method will be used in our daily life also. Okay, so try to implement that one in your daily life. Okay, if you have observed any this type of situation, so mostly in your schools, in your colleges, you will be seeing. Okay, suppose in the functions or in any events, you will be seeing this type of things. Okay, so next time. So total number of rectangles 15. So how many we have to shade 3 by 5 of the total rectangles, So that means 3 by 5. First write down 3 by 5. Half means into the total rectangles. How many rectangles? 15. So 3 by 5 into 15. So 3 by 5 into 15 means 5 ones, 5 threes. So total how many? 3 into 3 is 9. So totally you should shade 9 rectangles in the given rectangle boxes. So 9 means how you can shade. So like this you can shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now I have shaded 9 circles. 9 rectangles in this box. Or is it right? So not only like this, the cross also you can draw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like your wish. That is your wish. However you want to, you can shade 9 rectangles in that box. Okay, but compulsory 9 there should be. Okay, either cross or down or as your wish. Okay, so I like this way. I like the shading like this. So I have done like this. But whatever you like, you can shade. I like that. But compulsory there should be 9 shadings in that circle, in that box. Okay, like this you should do this problems. Okay, now we shall go with the next bit. Okay. Next, third bit. Just find first one. 1 by 2 by 5 of 15. So find 2 by 5 of 15. So how you can do solution? First write down 2 by 5 of 15. Question as usual you mentioned as a first step. Now that implies 2 by 5. Half means into. So 15. So 15 means 15 by 1 only. So no need to keep again 15 by 1. Okay, now. So in 15 will go in the 5 table. Is it right? So it is this is denominator, this is numerator. So compulsory, if you want to cancel means you can do with one denominator and one numerator only. No numerator and numerator will not cancel, and no denominator and denominator will not cancel. Suppose here 5 by 3 into 15 is there. So 5 and 15 doesn't get cancelled. Now you can cancel only 3 and 5 because 15 means 15 by 1 no? So numerator you should multiply, denominator and denominator you should multiply. But see, 5 by 3 into 1 by 15, if suppose like this is there, so now you can cancel this 2, you can cancel this 2, okay. So like that, suppose 5 by 3 into 15 by 1 is there, so you can cancel this 2, okay. So this 2 will 15 will go in 3 table, is it right? So now you can cancel one numerator and one denominator, and one numerator and one denominator, but you cannot cancel one numerator and one numerator. You can only multiply one numerator and numerator, one denominator and one denominator, okay. So like this is a very important thing, children, for this understanding. So here the 15 means 15 by 1, so you have to cancel this denominator and this is numerator. So 5 ones, 5 threes, so 2 into 3, so 2 into 3 is 6. So numerator and numerator you should multiply, numerator and denominator you should cancel if possibility, okay. If they are going to cancel, you can cancel, okay. So this is a 6 is the answer for this answer. So 2 by 5 of 15 is 6, okay. So like this you can do these problems, okay. Now okay, this is about today's class. So I will be giving some of the problems to you, so try those problems as a homework. So very easy problems only, children, no need to confuse. First one, A. In an office, in an office 25, okay, in an office there are 25 staff members. There are 25 staff members. 25 staff members. Three by 5 of 3 by 5 of the staff are gents. Next, by 5 of the staff are ladies. Next, okay, 2 by 5 of the staff are gents, 2 by 5 of the staff are ladies. This is question. So find number of gents staff, comma, ladies staff, and okay, instead of 2 by 5, 3 by 500. Okay, find the number of gent staff and ladies staff. So this is a problem to you. So you have to find the number of gent staff and ladies staff. Okay. Next one is exercise. From the exercise 2, I am giving some problems from the second bit. Shade 3 by 5 of triangles in a box. Shade 2 by 3 of triangles in a box. Okay, in this box you should shade 2 by 3 part. Next, third bit, find a problem. That is 7 by 6 of 36. 7 by 6 of 36. Six, 4 by 6 of 36. So these are the 3 problems you should do as a homework, children. Okay, try to do these problems. So very easy problems only. In an office there are 25 staff members. So in an office there are 25 staff members. 3 by 5 of the staff are gents, 2 by 5 of the staff are ladies. So find the number of gent staff and ladies staff. So number of gent staff how many, number of ladies staff how many. So 2 problems you should do in this problem. Okay, next, shade 2 by 3 of the triangles in the box. So in the box total how many triangles are there? From that you should shade 2 by 3. First find out 2 by 3 of the total is how much. Then afterwards you shade that many triangles. So your wish. How you want to shade, you can shade that. But whatever the answer, suppose your answer is 6, then you should circle, you should shade 6 only. Okay. Next, find 4 by 6 of 36. 4 by 6 of 36 is how much you should find. Okay, so this is your today's homework, children. So try to do very easily. So if you are having any doubts, once again you recall back my class. So in the next class we shall go with some more interesting topics of this multiplication of fractions. So thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.